Roth IRA or 401k. If you pick the wrong one, you could pay hundreds of thousands more in taxes over your lifetime. Let me settle this debate with real numbers so you can make the right call for your situation. The fundamental difference is when you pay taxes. A 401k is pre-tax. You invest now and pay taxes on withdrawal in retirement. A Roth IRA is after tax. You pay taxes now, and everything you withdraw in retirement is completely tax-free, including all growth. If you're young and currently in a low tax bracket, the Roth IRA wins hands down. You're paying a low tax rate now and letting your money grow completely tax-free for decades. A 25-year-old who maxes a Roth IRA from age 25 to 65 could shelter over $800,000 in tax-free wealth. If you're in a high tax bracket right now, say, earning over $100,000, the 401k's upfront tax deduction is more valuable. Reducing your taxable income today by $23,000 saves real money immediately, and you can invest the tax savings too. The smartest move for most people: contribute enough to your 401k to get your full employer match. That's free money. Always take it, then max your Roth IRA. Only after both are maxed do you go back to the 401k. Same $500, month over 30 years. 401k at 10% grows to $1, 13M. But you'll pay taxes on withdrawal. Roth grows to the same $1, 13M, but it's entirely yours, tax-free. For most young investors, the Roth wins. Are you Team Roth or Team 401k? Comment your current strategy. Subscribe next week. How to do a Roth conversion ladder and legally avoid taxes in retirement.